I wander back to childhood days, where fields of green and laughter filled the air. We skipped class, stole fruits from orchards ripe, their sweetness tasted, also free from care. Afternoons we'd play on fields so wide, school bells echoed as we ran and kicked the ball. Friendship blossomed with every pass and goal, sweat dripped and laughter answering friendship's call. Weekends beckon to the ocean shore, catching crabs and fish in sun-kissed glee. Salty breezes chasing worries far away, laughter echoing a symphony of glee. Kites soared high on wings of dreams and hope, carrying wishes on a gentle breeze. Songs of childhood filled the air with joy, friendship's tapestry reaching for the sky. Sleepovers whispered, secrets shared at night, hearts entwined in bonds of love and light. Dreams were painted on canvases of youth, laughter's melody chasing away all roof. Teachers guided with wisdom's gentle hand, imparting knowledge across the fertile land. Chalkboards etched with lessons, time's soft touch, teachers' love forever etched so much.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my podcast. Today, I want to share some special memories from my time as a student. These memories are very dear to me, and I think many of you will relate to them. When we were students, we did many things that we can never forget. So, let me take you on a trip down memory lane, skipping school and visiting fruit gardens. When I was a student, my friends and I sometimes skipped school. We didn't do it often, but when we did, it was always an adventure. One of our favorite places to go was a nearby fruit garden. This garden belonged to an old man who was very strict. We knew we shouldn't be there, but the excitement was too strong. We would climb over the fence and run through the trees, picking the ripest fruits we could find. The taste of those stolen fruits was so sweet and unforgettable. Of course, we always tried not to get caught. Sometimes we had to run away quickly when we heard the old man coming. It was thrilling and fun, and even though we were breaking the rules, we felt free and happy. Playing soccer in the afternoon. Another favorite activity was playing soccer in the afternoon. Every day after school, we would gather at the empty field near our houses. It didn't matter if we had a real soccer ball or just something that looked like a ball. We would play for hours, forgetting about homework and everything else. We made goals with our shoes or bags, and we didn't care if the field was muddy or dry. The joy of scoring a goal, the laughter when someone made a funny mistake, and the friendly arguments about the rules are memories I cherish. Soccer brought us together and made us a team, even though we were just kids. Going to the beach to catch fish and crabs. Living near the beach was a blessing. On weekends or during holidays, we would go down to the beach to catch fish and crabs. We took small nets and buckets with us, and we walked along the shore, looking for small fish and crabs hiding in the sand. Sometimes we would see big fish jumping out of the water, and we would try to catch them, even though we knew it was almost impossible. The best part was when we managed to catch something. We would show it to everyone proudly, and sometimes we even took our catch home to cook. The fresh sea breeze, the sound of the waves, and the feeling of wet sand under our feet made these trips unforgettable. Flying kites and swimming in the sea. Flying kites was another favorite activity. We made our own kites with sticks, paper, and string. It was a simple process, but we felt proud of our creations. On windy days, we would go to an open field or the beach to fly our kites. Watching our kites soar high in the sky gave us a sense of accomplishment. Sometimes our kites would get tangled, and we had to help each other to fix them. It was frustrating but also fun. Swimming in the sea was a perfect way to cool down on hot days. We would run into the waves, splashing and laughing. Some of us were good swimmers, while others just enjoyed floating on the water. We played games, like trying to catch each other or seeing who could hold their breath the longest. The sea was our playground, and we loved every moment we spent there. Playing all night at a friend's house. Once in a while, we had sleepovers at a friend's house. These nights were special. We stayed up all night playing games, watching movies, and talking about everything. We shared our dreams, our fears, and our secrets. We felt safe and happy together. Sometimes we played pranks on each other, like hiding someone's shoes or putting toothpaste on their face while they slept. These pranks were harmless, and they made us laugh a lot. Staying up all night was a rare treat, and it made us feel like we were part of a special club. Painting neighbors' houses. One time, we decided to paint our neighbors' houses. It wasn't a good idea, but we thought it would be funny. We took some paint and brushes and started painting different colors on the walls. We made silly drawings and wrote funny messages. The next day, our neighbors were very angry and we had to clean everything up. It took a long time and we learned that our actions had consequences. Even though we got into trouble, we still laughed about it later. It was a lesson in responsibility, but it also showed how creative and mischievous we could be. Giving teachers headaches at school. At school, we were not always the best students. We often gave our teachers headaches. We talked during class, played pranks, and sometimes didn't do our homework. One time, we put a fake spider on the teacher's desk. When she saw it, she screamed, and we couldn't stop laughing. Another time, we changed the classroom clock to make it look like it was time for a break. Our teacher was confused, but she figured it out quickly. We got into trouble for these pranks, but we couldn't help ourselves. We were just trying to have fun and make school more interesting. Growing up and looking back. Now that I am grown up, I look back on these memories with a smile. They remind me of a time when life was simple and carefree. We didn't have many responsibilities, and our biggest worries were about passing exams or getting caught for our pranks. These memories also remind me of the strong friendships we had. We supported each other, shared our joys and sorrows, and made each other laugh. Even though we sometimes got into trouble, we always stuck together. As adults, we have more responsibilities and challenges. Life is more complicated, and we don't have as much time for fun and games. But these memories remind me to stay young at heart, to find joy in simple things, and to cherish the friendships that make life special. They also remind me that it's okay to make mistakes and to learn from them. Conclusion. Thank you for listening to my podcast. I hope my stories brought back some of your own memories from when you were a student. Life is full of ups and downs, but our memories stay with us forever. They shape who we are and remind us of the good times we've had. So, take a moment to think about your own unforgettable memories and share them with someone you care about. It's a great way to keep those moments alive. That's all for today. Until next time, keep smiling and treasure your memories. I would like to invite you to listen to my song, Childhood Memories, inspired by today's topic.
In dreams I wander back to childhood days, where fields of green and laughter filled the air. We skipped class, stole fruits from orchards ripe, their sweetness tasted, also free from care. Afternoons we'd play on fields so wide, school bells echoed as we ran and kicked the ball. Friendship blossomed with every pass and goal, sweat dripped and laughter answering friendship's call. Weekends beckon to the ocean shore, Catching crabs and fish in sun-kissed glee. Salty breezes chasing worries far away. Laughter echoing a symphony of glee. Kites soared high on wings of dreams and hope, carrying wishes on a gentle breeze. Songs of childhood filled the air with joy. Friendships tapestry reaching for the sky. Sleepovers whispered secrets shared at night. Hearts entwined in bonds of love and light. Dreams were painted on canvases of youth. Laughter's melody chasing away all roof. Teachers guided with wisdom's gentle hand, imparting knowledge across the fertile land. Chalkboards etched with lessons, time's soft touch. Teachers' love forever etched so much. Life now calls with responsibilities weight, yet memories linger like stars, the fertile land. Chalkboards etched with lessons, time's soft touch. Teachers' love forever etched so much.